After you've glued the brass tubes into the pen blanks, it's time to square the pen blank ends flush with the brass tube. If the wood extends beyond the ends of the brass tube, or if you trim the blank ends and tube too much, the finished pen may not fit together correctly, operate properly, or the refill may extend too far out. To solve these potential problems, here are several quick and easy methods to trim the blank ends flush with the brass tube. One method is to secure the pen blank in a pen blank drilling vise. Fit your drill press chuck with a barrel trimmer. Center the blank under the bit, insert the bit about 1/4 inch into the blank, start the drill, and slowly drive the trimmer into the whole blank to trim the wood flush with the end of the tube. If you don't have a drill press, a second method is to secure the pen blank in a vise or a hand screw clamp. Slide the barrel trimmer, also called a pen mill, into the inside of the brass tubing. Start the drill and gently trim the wood flush with the end of the barrel. The shank of the barrel trimmer will also remove any adhesive inside the brass tube. Stop and check the ends frequently. Remove the excess wood without shortening the brass tube. Stop as soon as you see the end of the brass tube start to shine. Although a barrel trimmer works great on softer woods, you'll experience less chipping on harder, more dense woods using a disc sander. Put a 90-degree miter gauge or squaring support on the table of a disc sander, and then sand the ends of the pen blank flush with the brass tube. There are over 10 different tube sizes used for pen kits. Standard barrel trimmer sizes are made for 7mm, 8mm, 10mm, and 3/8 inch tubes, and may not fit precisely inside your pen tube to trim. This set makes it possible to adapt your 7mm barrel trimmer to a tube of any diameter. Just select the appropriate sleeve, slide it over a 7mm trimmer, and insert it into the tube for trimming. Remember, trimming your barrel square to the precise end of the tube will help make the finished pen fit together perfectly and look great.